Hi students, this is a presentation about the project for Learning Bundle 3, the Environmental Justice Project. You can find this handout that I'm about to discuss on Blackboard right at the top of Learning Bundle 3. So I wanted to say just a couple things about the assignment itself and which part will be due first and which part will be due second. So this assignment will meet course learning goals 3 and 4. We're talking about using critical thinking skills to analyze sport and recreation by locating and synthesizing materials, and then planning and producing a number of written assignments that are clear and free from errors. So the difference with this one is you will be working to pull together information from Learning Bundle 3, including the information about mass and motion. There's a link. Morton Hospital report, the film that I've already asked you to write research questions about, and 2 additional strong sources that you find. You will pull together and synthesize this information into a coherent argument about an idea you have to improve the health of one specific population in Taunton, Mass. You can decide to do a policy change or program implementation. Ultimately, you will be creating a presentation for the Taunton City Council to demonstrate your learning in this bundle. So this is higher order thinking, because I'm not just asking you to summarize sources and information for me like I did in the first 2 learning bundles. I'm asking you to pull them together and create your own argument and also find a couple sources yourself. The components of the paper and also of the presentation are here. And you can certainly label them as such in your paper, that's fine. First, the introduction to the project. Which population will you target specifically, and what are the specific health issues you'll target? This is not going to be a general program. It is a targeted program or policy. You'll need recent prevalence data from Massachusetts and North America. Why importance? Why is this program needed? What are the reasons that you believe the program's needed? 3, this is where you use and synthesize the data that you found that closely matches your population. Which resources will be needed to implement this policy or program? And it's not just funding, but other resources. The paper that you will create is 500 words and then a full reference list. Make sure it's cited in the text. Also, you'll create a presentation, but first the paper, that's the first step. So the schedule of the work, and I changed the learning bundle because I think it was too much to all be due this week on the 24th. So here's the schedule. This week, you will have the written proposal due with all the pieces described above, fully cited, and the revised film review. Only a few people have posted those films in there, so make sure that you do that today, and I'll send a message along with this video. Then next week, you post the video. There'll be a rubric. There already is a rubric posted on Blackboard for the video, so you have time to create it. But first and most importantly is the paper. After that, you can work on the video. One other thing I wanted to mention is where we are in the course at this point. So we can see that we started over here with learning theories of analyzing sport and physical activity. We did a concept map. We talked about theories. It seems like a long time ago. In number 2, we looked at that privilege walk, and we analyzed some of the features of the Serena Williams folder, including her speech to Sports Illustrated. Now we're into the last sort of 2 parts of the class, using critical thinking to analyze sport and recreation. Locate and analyze strong sources on your topic. So Environmental Justice Bundle 3, I'm asking you to synthesize the material. What's coming up as well is Learning Bundle 4. So you're going to actually ask, and that I should have put a little bubble over here. Coming up very shortly is you are going to pick a topic on your own. You're going to write a proposal that will be due. Well, you'll propose your topic and which materials you'll include in it. You'll find and collate quality sources, and then you'll create your own learning bundle to share and a way to share it with the class. So that's where we are. I wanted to at least give us a little setting there.